Hello beautiful people, come with me and let us unbox the QASA high power blender and grinder QBL-8008 Pro4. This is the manual. This is a free gift from QASA calendar. This is the blender jug, the breakable blender jug, the breakable blender, and this is the smoothie maker. So this jug is glass, as you can see, glass. This is the cover of the grinder. This is the motor, and here is the grinder, stainless steel, finely polished, and that's the cover of the smoothie maker. Yeah, that's all you find on the web.